Hi students, let's try to understand the Williamson synthesis of ether student. Williamson synthesis of ether. So this is the very good point student to know to prepare the symmetrical and unsymmetrical alkene. This method is prepared student. It is an important laboratory method for the preparation of the symmetrical and unsymmetrical ethers. In this method, an alkyl halide is allowed to react with sodium alkoxide. So this is the alkyl halide and this is sodium alkoxide. So what is happening, that is Rx is getting out students. Okay. So ROR and NaX is being formed. Means it is something what Rx is there. This is what student, that is the alkyl halide, right student? And what you are going to treat student, that is RONA. So what is happening, this NaX is getting out. This what is, that is ether we are taking student, diether. So that is what is ROR dash plus what is happening student, NaX. So this is what is something student, this is the ethers, right? Now dear students, see, ethers containing substituted alkyl group, secondary or tertiary, may also be prepared by this method. The reaction involves SN to attack of alkoxide ion on primary alkyl halide. Dear student, ethers consisting substituted alkyl group, secondary or tertiary, may also be prepared by this method. The reaction involves SN to attack of alkoxide and on primary alkyl halide. Now see student, they are saying that is ethers containing substituted alkyl group, secondary or tertiary, may also be prepared by this method. Means what they are saying, in the case of dehydration, what you are saying, that is they are taking only primary, but here you can take that is secondary and tertiary may also be prepared by this method. The reaction involves SN to attack by alkoxide ion on primary alkyl halide, that is the alkyl halide should be primary. See, this is the 1 degree alkyl halide and that is 3 degree alkoxide. Okay, 3 degree alkoxide means this is the strong base, so this is the product student. 3 degree ethers, this is forming 3 degree ethers plus NaBr. Better results are obtained if the alkyl halide is primary. Better results are obtained if the alkyl halide is primary. In case of secondary and tertiary, alkyl halide, elimination compete over substitution. Keep in mind student, in case of secondary and tertiary alkyl halide, elimination compete over the substitution, and if it tertiary alkyl halide is used, an alkene is the only reaction product and no ether is formed. For example, the reaction of CH3ONa with 3 degree alkyl halide gives the exclusively 2-methyl propene. So this is what the reaction, it is giving the 2-methyl propene. So you have to keep in mind that is alkyl halide should be primary, dear student. It is because alkoxide ion are not only nucleophile but strong bases as well. They react with alkyl halide leading to the elimination reaction, right? So that is what the our point is students, right? So what we are going to understand here student, that is if you are having that is Rx, right, it should be that is 1 degree student. No, Rx should be 1 degree primary. Okay, primary. So if it is the primary, so you can treat with the, they are saying R-ONA, you can treat easily. So that is NaX is being replaced out, minus NaX, and that is ROR. Okay, what the point they are saying, that is this should be primary. Okay, if it is secondary, suppose it you are taking this one student, that is CH3, C, here is CH3 and this is CH3. Okay, here is X is there, and here you are taking that is ONA and CH3 you are taking, suppose sodium methoxide. So what happened, this is the strong base, this is the base, so it will be elimination, dear student. It is the elimination, it will be the elimination by the proceed to the formation of the carbocation. So elimination means it is going to give, that is CH3, here is C, double bond CH3, and here is what is CH3. So this methyl 2-methyl propene is being formed student, 2-methyl propene. Here you see, here what is, that is 3 degree they have taken, so there 2-methyl propene is being formed. Now But what we can say, what is other form you see, student? Suppose if you are taking CS3Cl and here is the 3 degree your base you are taking, that is the CS3, okay, and here is ONA. So if you are taking this base, this is the okay strong base, it will attack, here it is loss. So what is going to be formed? So it is going to be formed CS3 and here is CS3, this is CS3 O and this will be the CS3. So this is the our product. Here you can see this is our product, okay, plus NaCl is being also formed. So whatever you are taking, the product is determined by the alkyl halide group, student, okay. So keep in mind, students, how can you be able to prepare. So thank you so much for watching, friend. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel and don't forget to comment, student. Thank you, students.